The Reports function allows you to generate, print and download the settings and factory reports. After connecting via TNP to an Emacs 3 device, enter the Tools section and access the Reports tool. The Settings report contains all the information stored in the device memory, and thus, also the values of all the parameters set and measurements recorded on the device connected. You can open existing reports or generate a new one if you need to analyze the configuration present in the device. The factory report is made by the factory after the manufacturing process of the device, and regards some specific tests. These reports are stored online and can be downloaded by clicking on the Download Report button. First, you should enter the serial number or the commercial product code of the device owned, and then click on the Next button to retrieve your report. Afterwards, you can download the PDF record of the file or visualize it in Ekip Connect.